Hi guys, Dan from M5 Industrial again, back here at 9 Burnmill Street in Rockdale. In today's episode, we're going to have a talk to you about the driveway, which you can see is semi-poured. We're going to talk about the water detention tank and some of the wall panels that have been cast on site. We're currently standing on the main driveway, which is partially poured. Underneath this driveway is a 400,000 litre water detention tank. To give you an example of how big that is, an Olympic swimming pool holds around 2.5 million litres, so this is quite a sizable tank under here to hold the stormwater for the site. The purpose of a detention tank like this is to retain all the water from the site and release it slowly into the stormwater system of the area. You can imagine if all the water collected from the roofs and concrete areas of all the properties in the area was released in one go, the local pipes and stormwater systems just wouldn't cope with it. So that was a brief look at the driveway. Let's go and have a look at some tilt-up panels. Yes. Okay, we're currently standing on the ground slab of Building C, and as you can see behind me, some of the wall panels have started to be cast. These panels are poured on site, and they take about 24 hours to harden and about 7 days before they can start looking at lifting them up. Between the ground slab and when these are poured, there's a liquid put on the slab to ensure that they don't bond together. This allows them to lift the panel straight up as one of the walls. Once these particular panels dry, another membrane will be put on and another panel will be poured on top. And this process will go on until they're about 4 high and they can start looking at tilting them up. Okay, what I've got in my hand is a Swift Lift lifting point. Now these get cast into these wall panels on site and they're used to lift it up by the crane. So these panels, once dry, are tilted up as the walls for the factory. If you have a look closely, you'll see that there's a plastic cap on top here that's in the slab, and that just gets pulled off when the slab is ready to be lifted. The beauty of casting these panels on site is things like windows and doors can be included in the formwork. So when this panel is tilted up, the windows and doors are already there and you just start work. Once this first layer of wall panels are dry, another 3 will be poured on top. Then we'll come back and have a closer look at the tilting points and how these walls actually get tilted up. That concludes our first episode here at 9 Burnmill Street in Rockdale. With the help of Ron and Joel from Charter Pack Construction Management, we expect to bring you these fairly regularly. If you keep an eye on our YouTube and our social media pages, we'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.